I think I know it. I'm just double checking. It's bad, I shouldn't really be practicing. Let's give it a... He was a professional dog food taster, but no one would believe him. People thought he might be a spy, but in reality he was quite boring. He worked for all the major companies. He'd worked his way up the dog food chain. He was a professional. He worked so hard, he never found the time for friends, he never socialized. He felt so alone, cause when he talked about his job, people thought he told them lies. Nobody would believe he was a professional dog food taster, but no one would believe him. People thought he might be a spy, but in reality he was quite boring. He'd worked for all the major companies. He'd worked his way up the dog food chain. He was a professional. One day across the bar he caught the eye of a girl he thought he recognized. When he asked her what she did for work, well, the answer came as a very big surprise. It was hard to believe. She was a professional dog food taster. She totally believed it. People thought she might be a spy, but in reality she was quite boring. She'd worked for all the major companies. She'd worked her way up the dog food chain. She was a professional. They fell in love, and love was all they ever wanted. There to say, no one could believe. They bought a big house in the country for the kids, and then they opened their own dog food factory. You can probably guess the last chorus. And they were both professional dog food tasters. No one would believe them. People thought they might both be spies, but in reality they were quite boring. They'd worked for all the major companies. They'd worked their way up the dog food chain.